dang. Z gang, yo. You guys, should we get a convertible 350Z? 10K sub special, get a convertible 350Z. And maybe a convertible, oh, another 350Z? I can't even make this up. No way, yo. What is going on? Is there like a car show or like a car club that I'm missing right now? Oh my gosh, I'm like overwhelmed. Z's everywhere. Well, I mean, if that's not the sign of a great day, I don't know what is. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. We're back here in my 2006 Nissan 350Z, and we're just cruising around today. As you guys saw from the title of the video, we're going to be talking about the new Nissan Z for a little bit. There was a video published the other day that kind of stirred some controversy, and I'm excited to talk about it. So we were cruising this way. I'm actually going to turn right here just because it is a green arrow, and you know, who likes waiting at red lights? Not me. And we got nowhere to be. We're just cruising around right now. So we're just going anywhere the world takes us, and if I see a green light, we're taking it. That's okay, it's okay. It's a 45 here anyways. So you guys, let's talk about the new Nissan Z. I'm excited because this is some pretty cool information. I mean, I think so at least. I'm gonna put a little clip of what I'm talking about right here. So GT Garage Talk is actually an up and coming YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the link to their channel in the description down below if you guys wanna go check it out. They recently saw the new Z at an auto show, and there was a spokesperson there, and they decided to ask the spokesperson a few questions, a few of them being related to the color, the interior color, and one of them specifically being based on the price of the car, what it's gonna be when we get it, basically what the base price is going to be, or what we could see from dealerships in the future pretty much. And what she says actually kind of surprised a whole bunch of people in the car community. So I'm going to play a clip of the video and then we're going to talk about it after. So let's get into it.
So it will come in a 6-speed manual transmission and also the option for automatic transmission. Pricing will start about $30,000 base.
30,000 base, yes. And that comes with the twin turbo?
Comes with the twin turbo.
That is nice. So clearly you have the Toyota Supra clear in your sights.
All right, I think my hat is a little crooked or something. All right, so that was the clip. We got a roundabout, acceleration. So that was a clip right there, and obviously the controversial part of that video was basically the price. She said, I think it surprised everyone that she said it was going to be $30,000 base price. Obviously that's USD.
So again, stay tuned for the release date, starting out about $30,000 base price for the Z.
So after watching this video, I was honestly pretty surprised that this lady said $30,000. I mean, that would be a pretty solid price for this car. I mean, I think everyone would go and pick one of these up if the base price was 30 grand. Now, obviously, it stirred a whole bunch of controversy because someone, I'm not gonna lie, someone posted the video and the thread from NissanZclub.com in the Supra thread, and I mean, it is hilarious. I'll scroll through real quick. You guys can see. People are upset. All the Supra owners are pretty upset, and it's kind of funny, but I love the Supra. I think the Supra is great. I don't think the Supra owners have anything to worry about. I don't think this car is going to be $30,000 base price, and I'll explain here soon. So one of the comments, basically, as I scrolled down just to see what people were saying, is from this guy, Greg. I had to put it up here. He basically said 400 horsepower for $30,000. He said if this is the case, it's going to be impossible for them to even deliver these, and that the dealer markups are going to be insane. He said if you can, find a good dealership and see if you can get a pre-order in early, because that seems like the only way we'll get one for around this price. So hopefully that's not the case, but I'm sure that this is what's gonna happen. Hopefully it's not gonna be a lot though. All right, so we have another comment right here I wanted to talk about from Nihilist, I think, Nihilist, I probably butchered that. He's looking at it in the more optimistic point, and he actually kind of makes a great point here. He pretty much says that with the car being so similar to the 370Z and the engine being over a decade old because it's been in so many Q50s and Q60s already, they might have actually found a way to make the price point around $30,000, which I actually find reasonable. It's really hard to say because, I mean, that would make sense, right? Like, it's so similar to the 370Z, the engine's been around for a while. And then as you keep reading his comment, he makes even more sense by saying it's probably gonna be more like 40 though, just due to supply chain issues. So that kind of makes sense. So those two comments honestly made some great points, and I kind of want to piggyback my opinion off of those comments here. I think one, the supply chain is obviously making it a little difficult for us to get these cars, and I think that's why we haven't seen them yet. And they've said hopefully spring of 2022, but we will see. I hope so. I honestly do. two, basically an exact confirmed reason why this is not going to be real is Dan Pass. I think it's Pass, Dan Pass. He actually had to get on NissanZClub.com and post officially that these numbers were not correct and it was an error made by the spokesperson. Oh yeah, we had the AC on. We had to turn the AC off, you guys. We turn the AC off, you gain like 30 horsepower or something like that. I can feel it, honestly. I can honestly feel it. Sorry about that interruption, but so basically what I was saying is that Dan Pass got on and said that this is not going to be the starting price of the car or the base price. It's going to be more towards the $40,000 mark for the 2023 Nissan Z. So everyone's hopes, obviously, we got our hopes up for nothing. It's not going to be the case. This car is going to be a little more expensive than I think we all thought it's going to be, but I think we're going to get an amazing car. I think this thing is going to be really fast. I think it might even be underestimated a little bit, like it's going to make quite a bit more than 400 horsepower probably once you put it on the dyno. It might make like 400 wheel. I think that would be pretty amazing. So based on what Dan said, it being around $40,000 base price, honestly, in my opinion, with dealer markups, gas guzzler fees, I mean, out the door, I mean, I'm going to say like 52, hopefully. Around 50. I really hope these aren't going to be in the $60,000 range. So I'm excited though. Honestly, like this car is going to be the highlight of my year realistically, unless we do some crazy thing with the 350Z, which I might have some plans, you guys. I might have some plans. I'm going to make an update video soon where I'm going to be talking about what I want to do or what I have plans to do to this car because I want to do some crazy stuff. I want to do some crazy stuff. Let me know what you guys think down below. Did you think this was going to be $30,000? Did the video confuse you a little bit or did it trick you? Honestly, I was a little tricked. I was a little confused, but honestly, Dan came out and told us all the truth and it kind of makes sense. It's going to be around $40,000. I think it's a solid price. I mean, if you compare it to the Supra, I think it's a solid price. And plus, if it was $30,000, I mean, what would all the BRZ guys say? Like, that would just be, that'd be kind of rude almost. I mean, besides the point. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. We're like 150 subscribers away from 10,000 and it blows my mind. Like, I can't believe it. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I really appreciate you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.